Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yeah, we got another parcel, folks. I'll just move my camera up and away. And we have got a parcel here that has rocked up to Festa Towers this morning from my good friend Graham McRobert. Bosh, and it is a big red post box. Now I've had a little slicky already just to make it easier for me to open on camera, but yeah, so I just pop the flaps up. That sounded wrong, like so. Holy moly, oh wow, oh Graham, you are, just get rid of the box there. Oh, you are a legend, man. Look at that bad boy. God, it's a 1/9 scale Triumph 3HW. Oh, holy moly, look at that bad boy. Oh man. Graham, you are a star, man. Thank you very, very much. Oh, that's going to be one hell of a video build, that is, buddy. Look at that. Oh, already I'm seeing all the potential. Oh, Graham, I don't know what to say, mate. Yes, Festa is speechless yet again. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, mate. That is unbelievable. So much so, let's have a little looky-loo. God. Try not to remove me fingertips. Oh, that is stunning, mate. Come on, Festa, it's only a box, you can do it. Get them useless fingers in there. There you go. Look at that bad boy. Oh, tires of goodness. Oh, Graham, look at that, folks. Oh, we're going to have fun building this. Yeah, love it, mate. Oh, there's got rubbery bits for the seats. Oh, squishy, squishy, squishy. Yeah, Graham, mate, that is unbelievable. Thank you so much, mate. Thank you so very, very much for that. So I'm really looking forward to doing that as a video series, and already I've spied a prominent position up there on the shelf of goodness, and it's going to sit there as part of the armour display, the military stuff. You're going to have the big bite, you're going to have me tanks, me World War One dio. So yeah, I'm already seeing where that's going to sit on my shelf of goodness, mate, and I will film this lovingly for you. Graham, thank you so much, mate. Yeah, that is absolutely stunning. So folks, look at that. Whoa, going to be doing wheelies and everything, and it'll be Officer Festa. Or Grunt Festa, should we say, because yeah, I leave the Rupert bit to Mike Mountain, because yeah, he's a secret Rupert. Look at that. Yeah, get yourself some of that, folks. So thanks for watching that. I'll catch up with you shortly. Bye bye for now. Graham, you're a star.